Welcome to the top best. The best duffel bag is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable travel companions for any woman on the go, offering a perfect blend of spaciousness, durability, and ease of transport, making it an ideal choice for weekend getaways, gym sessions, or even as a carry-on for longer journeys, ensuring all your essentials are neatly organized and accessible. Number 5. Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag, Black, 22. Introducing the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag. It's designed for the modern traveler, offering both durability and ease of use. With its smooth rolling wheels and sturdy handle, moving through airports and train stations has never been easier. This bag makes your journey a breeze. Don't let its compact size fool you. This duffel offers ample space for all your essentials, keeping your belongings neatly organized. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. You can rely on it for many adventures to come. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a longer vacation, this versatile bag is your ideal travel companion. Pack up and go with confidence. What we like. This rolling duffel is made with high-quality, water-resistant material, making it both lightweight and durable. If you are looking for a reliable carry-on that can withstand the elements and frequent use, this is a great choice for vacations or business trips. What people say. This bag is a great size for a weekend trip, and the wheels make it easy to transport. I love the multiple compartments, which help keep my belongings organized. The durable material and sturdy construction ensure this bag will last for a long time. Number 4. Olympia U.S.A 22-inch carry-on rolling duffel bag. Introducing the ultimate rolling duffel bag, designed for all your adventures. It's lightweight yet durable, made from high-quality water-resistant material, perfect for any trip. Easily access your belongings with its U-shaped opening and smooth, self-repairing zippers. This bag offers maximum packing capacity and a neatly lined interior for all your essentials. Stay organized on the go with 8 smart pockets designed for easy access. It's the perfect solution for keeping your essentials meticulously arranged, making travel a breeze. Experience smooth journeys with its inline skate wheel system. This bag glides effortlessly, ensuring comfortable travel whether for work or leisure. Maneuver with ease thanks to the high-quality locking push-button retractable handle. It offers a comfortable grip and can be neatly tucked away when not in use. This versatile bag is ideal for professionals, freelancers, and anyone needing convenience. Pack your essentials securely and travel with confidence wherever you go. What we like. This wheeled duffel offers smart organization with its 8 spacious pockets, perfect for keeping your essentials meticulously arranged. If you value easy access and a clutter-free travel experience, this bag is ideal for work, hobbies, or everyday use. What people say. This bag is perfect for weekend trips. It holds a lot and is easy to maneuver. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly, making it easy to transport even when fully packed. I love the multiple compartments. They help keep everything organized and accessible. Number 3. Samsonite Andante 2-wheeled duffel bag, 22-inch. Lifting and carrying this bag is a breeze. With strategically placed grab handles, you can easily retrieve it from overhead compartments or your car's trunk. Navigate busy terminals with ease. The retractable handle extends with a simple push of a button, offering seamless control and a comfortable grip. Keep your belongings tidy and separate. Dedicated end pockets are perfect for shoes or damp items, preventing leaks and keeping clean clothes fresh. Travel with confidence knowing it's built to withstand rough handling. Reinforced corner protectors shield it from bumps and drops, ensuring durability. Glide through any surface with ease. The premium inline skate wheels provide a stable, quiet, and smooth ride wherever your travels take you. This lightweight bag is designed for convenience. Its travel-friendly nature makes it easy to manage on all your journeys. What we like. This rolling luggage features dedicated end pockets for shoes or wet items, along with reinforced corners for added durability. If you need to keep dirty or damp items separate from clean clothes and want a bag that can handle rough handling, this is the one for you. What people say. This duffel bag is perfect for weekend trips. It holds a lot of stuff and is easy to maneuver with the wheels. I love the design of this bag. It's stylish and functional. The wheels make it so much easier to carry when it's full. The quality of the material is excellent, and the wheels are very sturdy. It's a great bag for travel. Number 2. Travelpro Tpro Bold 2.0 30-inch Rolling Duffel. Introducing the Travelpro Tpro Bold 2.0 30-inch drop-bottom rolling duffel. Its innovative design offers ample room for all your travel essentials, making packing a breeze. Navigate through airports and hotels with ease. The smooth rolling wheels and sturdy handle ensure effortless maneuverability, even when fully packed. Built to withstand the rigors of travel, this duffel is crafted from high-quality materials. You can trust it to protect your belongings on every journey. Keep your items organized and accessible. Multiple compartments and pockets provide smart storage solutions for efficient packing and retrieval. The unique drop-bottom compartment offers expanded capacity for larger items or separate shoes and gear. It's a game-changer for efficient packing. Experience the convenience and durability of the Tpro Bold 2.0. It's the perfect companion for your next adventure, big or small. What we like. This rolling duffel boasts a convenient drop-bottom compartment, offering a large capacity for all your packing needs. If you're a heavy packer or need to organize bulky items separately, this bag's design will make your travels much more manageable. What people say. This duffel bag is surprisingly spacious, easily fitting a week's worth of clothes and essentials. The wheels are smooth and durable, making it effortless to navigate through airports and crowded spaces. The multiple compartments and pockets are well designed, allowing for organized packing and quick access to items. Number 1. BEBE. Introducing BEBE, designed for unparalleled comfort. Experience a new level of relaxation with its innovative features. This product seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. It's crafted to enhance your lifestyle with its elegant design and practical functionality. We've used only the finest materials to ensure lasting quality. You can rely on its durability for years to come. Discover what makes BEBE stand out from the rest. Its unique attributes offer an experience unlike any other. Whether at home or on the go, it's the perfect companion for all your needs. Enjoy its versatility and convenience. What we like. This fashionable wheeled duffel combines style with practicality, offering a chic way to carry your belongings. If you're looking for a compact yet spacious bag that makes a statement and is easy to maneuver, this is a perfect companion for your next getaway. What people say. The wheels are smooth and quiet, making it easy to roll through airports. The bag is surprisingly spacious and can hold a lot of items. The design is stylish and modern, and it looks great even when full. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.